आज मैं आपके सामने बात करूंगा ऑर्डर ऑफ पेट, बैड ऑर्डर इन पेट। हमारे पास बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, बोलते हैं डॉक्टर साहब घर में स्मेल आ रहा है, डॉग से बहुत सारा स्मेल आ रहा है, नो देयर इज अ बैड ऑर्डर इन द हाउस, हाउ टू गेट rid of it and why it comes. See, before going to treatment we should understand what is the reason for bad odor. So number one, if there is any skin problem, if there is a fungal infection, there will be bad odor. So you have to get it treated, number one. Number two, look for ear. Main reason of bad odor from a dog is ear. See, always there is a back discharge in ear which will be accumulated there. If it is not being cleaned, there will be bacterial infection over there, there will be fungal infection over there, and that will smell very bad. So ear cleaning is very important. If you keep your dog's ear clean, odor will not be there, bad odor will not be there. Another, anal gland. You might have listened, if you have been visiting your vet, always they may be doing anal cleaning. They may be advising you that anal cleaning is important in a regular way. What happens? Anal glands are two glands located in perianal area, and that glands, naturally it gets cleaned when they pass motion. What happens sometimes, it doesn't get cleaned because of lot of reason, maybe because of obstruction or because of infection. So when anal gland discharge doesn't get cleansed itself, then there is always bacterial infection. When there is a bacterial infection, it will smell. At the same time, if anal gland is impacted and it is not fully evacuated, then there may be little leakage of that gland discharge. And if it is continuously leaking a small proportion, there will be very bad smell in house. So how to get rid of that? Get it cleaned properly. That is important. Sometime what you can do is that you just wash the perianal region with warm water and use of Savlon. Just mix some Savlon with warm water, clean that area, and that will be normal. Another thing, see that if a dog motion is always semi-solid, then there is always probability that anal gland will not be get cleaned naturally, because to get anal gland cleaned naturally, motion, consistency of motion has to be proper, so that when he is passing motion, there is a pressure exerting, both sides, and anal glands are cleaned naturally. So three reasons, and I told you, if there is any skin allergy, get it treated. If there is ear infection, get it treated and get it cleaned regularly. If there is anal gland infection, get it cleaned regularly. If you do all these things, I don't think there will be any odor in the house. Other thing, there is some breed, some breeds always smell more, like in case of pug. Why it smells more? You notice face of pug, it will be folding. Skin of pug will be always folded over the nose. So when there is a folding over the nose, you see that area that gets closed. Once that area is closed, there is a moisture, little bit of moisture. Always there will be some fungal and bacterial accumulation. If there is a fungal and bacterial accumulation, again it will smell. So in case of pug, always try to take care that area above nose where the skin is folded, that gets cleaned, and you can use some antiseptic, antifungal powder there on regular basis, so that it doesn't smell bad. Other things are okay. You can use some normal deodorants available in the market. Sometime you can use that, but generally dog don't like smell. So I would advise you to not go for a strong deodorant. You can use simple deodorant, and obviously you have to give bath to your dog every 20 days, 30 days, and that will solve the problem. Thank you, thank you, thank you, friends.